Our industry is transforming around AI and cloud opportunity in a way that hasn't been seen in decades. However, the semiconductor industry needs to deliver a 1000x improvement in compute efficiency to make this possible, which is why IBM launched its Research AI Hardware Center as an effort to fuel industry innovation over the next decade. It's a collaborative effort where many companies can join to share the fruits of the effort. IBM has a clear long-term roadmap showing what they hope to achieve. We're going to have a conversation about this with Mukesh Khare from IBM Research, where he's vice president, and he's responsible for developing technologies for IBM's enterprise systems, cognitive systems, and AI hardware. This is We Vision. I'm Dan Hutchison. Welcome to the program, Mukesh.
Thank you, Dan. It's always great to be back with you.
So since we last talked, you were part of this whole new AI hardware center. What's that about?
Yeah, thanks, Dan. Well, it's truly exciting time right now in the industry. On one hand, the scaling is slowing down. On the other hand, there is huge opportunity that is created through the use of AI. And a combination of AI and explosion of data, that's truly, I will say, it's a golden age for innovation. That's where we are heading. We see this, and that's why we launched this industry-wide collaboration initiative called AI Hardware Center in collaboration with New York State. The idea of AI Hardware Center is to really create a very long-term roadmap for AI hardware, so that we can really, generate the right technology, looking at it from an end-to-end basis, and create the kind of compute efficiency that you talked about, 1000 times improvement in compute efficiency. If I look at it the way we describe AI, we look at it in 3 phases. Today's AI, or if I look at 2 bookend of AI, today's AI is, I call, narrow AI, where you can do some very specific, very domain-specific work like image recognition or text or voice recognition in a very good way.
Which is where you see a lot of the startups out there.
That's exactly right. So as you can see, that there's a lot of startups coming up which are trying to optimize their chip, their designs for their very unique narrow AI space, that they can get much better efficiency compared to general purpose processors.